What to do if this midterm break it's just sitting at home or going to work or trying to please your children or trying to make something different for the kids to enjoy and have something to say after the holidays. Hello guys, welcome to my page, and today we want to make something different. This thing I'm about to do is, especially if you have stayed in the north like me, who has been stayed in the north for a long time and back to this place. So here I'm trying to make something different for my kids because they are at home. So I want to make plantain. Yes, I want to make plantain dough. Guys, you guys are going to love this thing that I'm going to do, of course, and I know you're going to try it out for your kids. And here, try to cook your plantain to make sure it's soft so that you can be able to match it like this. Yes, you have to match it very well to be soft and smooth before you go in with your onions, your pepper, your stalks, your maggi. This is a smashed fish. Yes, smashed. You can use smoked fish, you can use titus, but this is a smoked fish that I mashed as well. So try to combine all this together so that it will go well inside. Try to combine it enough, like try to massage it very well so that it will give you exactly what you're looking for. Meanwhile, your oil is already on the fire waiting for this dough, guys. And here it's me trying to make it in a way that is very attractive. Guys, this thing tastes so well. Like my kids was, "Mommy, how did you do this? Mommy, where did you learn this from?" I told them I was born in the north, Kajiko, and here Hausa, and I'm from Hausa side, guys. So here I'm trying to like soak in with my egg and my flour. Meanwhile, I've already added my pepper in my flour. Guys, we from the north, we always like something that has to do with pepper. It has to be pepperish. That is how we love our food. So here I'm trying to mix it with the flour and all that. At the time I had to remove my hand glove, Jerry. What to do now? Hausa woman like me trying to wear hand glove, who am I impressing? Guys, don't worry, do the one you like. So here I'm trying to fry it, guys. See how I'm frying. If you want to toast this, if you want to bake it, fine. You can bake it, you can toast it, you can fry it any way you want to do it, but just do it the way I did it, and your kids, in short, the whole of your family is going to love this. And here I'm trying to fry it, and this point my kids was, the aroma is, "Mommy, what are you frying? The aroma is this, the aroma is that." You guys are seeing it now, it's already changing, and this thing tastes so nice, so yummy. And here I'm trying to like remove it out and trying to put your paper on it so that it will go down the way. Guys, look at it now. No, look at it, I just opened it. See, it tastes so well. I hope you're going to try this. And I hope you're going to share this for more people, for them to see that the holiday should not be boring. The holiday should be fun with a lot and a lot of bakings, which I'm going to be giving you guys. And what to do if you are this type of person like me who like to do something different. And here I try to match it with my bread, and I did it like Akara. See now, see, it tastes so nice. Like you don't even know when you finish. Look at